Hello and welcome to this how-to video in which we are going to learn how to sign into your OneNote and find all of the information that you will need to complete your safety induction for the Nanango State High School workshops. Now here in the learning place are the 5 different quizzes that you will need to complete with 100% accuracy to complete this safety induction. So where do you find the information to be able to complete these quizzes? We'll start by going to your emails and look for an email from either your teacher or possibly from me if I'm not your teacher, and look for this email. It will say your teacher's name has shared this safety induction file with you. Once you have found the email, it's simply a matter of either hitting the open button there or that link there. When you click on that tab, it will bring you to your OneNote. Once here, on the left hand side of the screen, you will have collaboration space, content library and your name. Click on the content library, click on the health and safety tab, and you'll see here you have 5 different pages. Now each of these pages will give you a couple of pages of information, and that information will give you the ability to answer all of the questions in each of the quizzes. So this is how we are going to use it. If you'll see here, there are 5 different pages in your OneNote, each of them relating directly back to one of the assignments that you need to do. So if you're doing the quiz Work Health and Safety Legislation, you would go back to your OneNote and you would select Work Health and Safety Legislation, and in those two, I think it's 2 pages, in those 2 pages you will find all of the information that you need to answer all of the questions in your first quiz. Now in your second quiz, go back to your OneNote, select the second page, and again all of the information that you need is in here. Now I just want to show you a couple of things that I think you will find fairly important, because what we have done is we have made it so that the questions in here relate directly back the questions in here relate directly back to the wording that you will find in your OneNote information. And I'll just show you what I mean. Let's go to here and continue the test. Now here I'm on question 8 of test 2, and you'll notice that there is a couple of sentences that have had words removed from them. Now I could, if I wanted to, go in and have a really good shot at getting words that would be close to right to be able, without going to look at any information. What I couldn't do is pick the exact words that are required to get a passing mark. To get the exact words that are required, I will have to go back to my safety induction and look for basically the exact same phrases as you have seen in your questions. For example, inappropriate behaviour such as practical jokes, showing off or horseplay has no place in the work environment. And when we go back to the test, you can see inappropriate behaviour such as something, jokes, showing off or horseplay has something in a work environment. Now you can get that exactly right by following the exact words that are in there. If you choose to just guess at them, you'll be going back over and over and over again, and you'll find this in many of the questions throughout these quizzes, because they are related directly back to the information you have in your OneNote. So again, I stress, you've got 5 quizzes, you've got 5 pages of information, and each one relates back to one of the quizzes in your assignment page. And it's your job to get every question correct, and you can redo it as many times as you like. So that is where you find the information for your quizzes. Good luck, and can't wait to see you in the workshop real soon.